Welcome guys, welcome. Previous video I explained about the profit and loss account and the left side of what are the expense will come. Okay, I already explained almost all the expenses, how it is coming and where we are going to allocate it under the which expenses also. Now the right side you can see this is the profit income where we are getting from the third parties, that is the income from the company, correct? How we are getting, so I can explain about these things like by profit, gross profit. That means I already explained about how it is connecting from the trading account to the profit and loss account. Profit and loss account, how it is connecting to the balance sheet. You can see trading account, what is the profit, we are going to put it in the profit and loss account. Okay, the 2500, this amount is coming from the trading account. You can see the previous video, you can understand easily. Okay, this gross profit, it came from trading account. Then second one is commission received. What is the commission received? The expenses we paid the commission, right? How it is coming commission received? The same thing, we did some work from any other person, any other company, we are receiving the commission from them. So that is called commission received. Okay, rent received, yeah, we have the properties, we have the buildings, we have the labor camp, we have some self storage, cold storage. So we are getting from rent those people, those customers. So that is called rent received. Interest received, yeah, we are depositing the amount, we are interest, we are depositing to the bank like a fixed deposit or something. So we are receiving from the bank, that is interest received, correct? Discount received, the same thing, when we are given the discount to the suppliers, sorry, customer, the same we are receiving discount from the suppliers. Okay, that is called discount received. Dividend received, dividend received means like we bought some shares. Okay, that company's profit, they are allocating some amount to the shareholders. So they are sending from shareholders yearly whatever the profit, the certain percentage based on the share, they are sending to us dividend. That is dividend received. Okay, interest on drawings. The interest on drawings is like owner, they took it drawings from the capital, he have to pay, he have to pay interest based on the amount. Okay, that is interest on drawings. Okay, bad debts recovered. Bad debts recovered means, the previously I explained about the expense side, bad debts. We are not going to receive at all that money, that is called bad debts, correct? Bad debts recovered means we received the money from like a old customers. We are not thinking about this money is not coming to us, but our debit collected team, like receivable team or salesperson, they are follow up those customers, then they are collecting from the money, that is called bad debts recovered. Okay, royalty received, the copywriting, the something is there, no? That is the copywriting or whatever you have the things, it's a royalty. Okay, the income from investment, you are in the company is investing small amount from the small investment, short term investment, we are getting income from the investment, that is called the income from the investment. You can see here the total right side is 3500, the total left side is, it is coming 2500. So now which side is increase? Right side. So you have to put the right side amount. Where is the decrease? Left side. Okay, you have to put to net profit. In case if it is right side is less, left side is increase, so you have to put right side to loss, by loss, correct? Here to profit. So what are the different amount? 1000. You have to make it that 1000 there, and you have to equal the profit and loss account table. Then the two entries going to the balance sheet. One is depreciation, another one is net profit transferred to the capital. Okay guys, going to see next video like a profit and balance sheet. Then you can understand easily what is the connection between like a balance trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Thank you guys, thank you so much.